Let's just become comfortable in our seats. Remove anything from your laps that may be a distraction. And just relax. Speak quietly to your body, inviting every area of your body to be relaxed and at peace in this moment. Peaceful mind, peaceful heart, peaceful spirit. The scripture says, I will keep them in perfect peace, whose mind is stayed on God. That is the Christ in you, your true center, your source of all peace. If you're comfortable, I invite you to close your eyes and continue to breathe deeply and be comfortable in your seats. Let go of any tension. If there's tension in your body, breathe into that. And say in your mind, peace be still. Peace be still. And take these words as your own. I am poised and centered in the Christ mind, and nothing disturbs the deep, calm peace of my soul. That invites you to let go of any outer distractions, anything that's been on your mind. The solutions are always within. And by turning within to that place of peace, you'll find the answers as you move into the silence. Continue to breathe deeply, allowing that sweet, sweet spirit of peace to wash over you. And listen to today's daily word. Silent night, holy night, all is calm, all is bright. I know peace as I hear the first words of the beloved Christmas carol. The peace I feel wells up from the depths of my being, from a place of silence, filled only with the awareness of God. The peace of God refreshes and restores me each time I visit this inner sanctuary, replacing anything unlike itself. My consciousness remains calm and bright as I return to the many activities of the day. As I embody peace, stress and tension transform into productive energy. Peace shows me there are possibilities for good in every situation and every relationship. Thoughts of peace, words of peace, and peaceful actions fill my day. I embody peace to help create a peaceful world. I invite you to take this with you throughout the day in this busy season and remind yourself that if you live in peace, peace will live in you. Peaceful mind, peaceful heart, peaceful spirit. As you return your attention to this time and place, be the peace you want to see in the world. And so it is.
Love fill our hearts, joy fill our world, let peace fill our youth.